Hello.
How are you doing today?
Yeah, I'm good.
I can see you are playing some Scrabble.
Yeah.
Okay, please, a quick one. Please, I want you to tell my audience some things in kinyarwanda. Like, there's these questions they've been asking me, like, what do you call some money? The money terms in Rwanda.
But
So,
as you can see, I'm busy playing my favorite game,
okay,
Scrabble. So, are you going to pay me?
okay, please, just give us just 5 seconds of your time, please. Five
5 seconds.
seconds, yes.
I'll be
Please.
playing bingo in 5 seconds. How do you want me to?
Okay, but we are going to be quick at that, please. Just for the sake of my viewers, please. What do you call 100 Rwanda francs? In yeah.
It's okay. Let's go.
What do you call 100 Rwanda
Uh,
francs?
I can see this is a coin. Huh?
Yeah, this is a coin.
This
Yes.
is Rwandan francs. Huh?
Mm-hmm.
This is Ijana in Kinyarwanda.
Ijana.
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 Uh-huh.
Okay, what do you call 200 Rwanda francs?
200 is called Maganavidi.
Maganabiri.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so what do you call 300?
300 then is Maganatatu.
Maganatatu. What do you call 400?
400 is Maganane.
Maganane.
Yes, Maganane.
Okay, so what do you call 500?
Maganatano.
Maganatano, 500.
Yes.
So what do you call 1000?
Igihumbi.
Ijihumbi.
Yeah.
What do you call 1500?
Ichatanu.
Ichatano.
Igihumbi na magana tano.
Oh, you can say ichatano or ijihumbi na
Yeah.
maganatano.
Yes.
What do you call 2000?
Ibihumbi bibiri.
Ijihumbi bibiri.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
As you can understand, there's 2 in 2000.
Oh, yeah,
Yes.
yeah. Okay. So how do you call 2500?
Bibiri magana tano.
Bibiri maganatan. What of 3000?
Ibihumbi bitatu.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
Okay, the last one, please. What do you call 5000 in Rwanda?
Oh, 5,000? 5,000 is ibihumbi bitanu.
Ijihumbi bitanu.
Yes. As you know, 5 is gatanu in Kinyarwanda. And then ibihumbi bitanu. Yes.
Viewers, hope you heard her. Okay, we will check and come back later. Now you know what they call 100, 200, 300, and so on in Rwanda.
So let me
France.
collect the money. Let me
No,
collect
thank
the
you,
money.
thank you for this. Thank you so much for this. Thank you. This was
welcome.
nice meeting you.
Yeah,
Thank
nice
you,
to
thank
meet
you. Bye.
Bye.